Hello. It is now Sunday morning. I've been here since Monday morning, early last week when I had my surgery. So each day it gets better and better. Today I've been able, well, most days now I've been able to get up and have a shower and wash my hair if need be and just be able to look after myself. And today I was able for the first time all by myself to put my compression stocking on. The problem with the compression stocking is because it's tight to get on, and I have an injury on my foot from surgery, so they gave me this little thing which is slippy, so I put this on my foot first and then I get the stocking over the toes and I'm able to pull it up, and then I slide this out of the front. Very clever. Obviously the hard bit was having an injury in my groin as well. It's for the bending over. So each day it's got easier and less painful. I'm sleeping well, I'm eating well. I've had so much rest. And I'm feeling very, very, very lucky to be in this amazing hospital, which is like 10 minutes down the road from where we live. So Simon comes in twice a day and we do the crossword, we do Wordle, we go down for coffee. Our friends Steve and Judy have been a couple of times. We're meeting them again this morning for coffee. It's pretty good. You know, the staff are amazing. I've made lots of really good friendly contacts with the staff. Although I don't see an awful lot of them, but that's because I don't need that care. They come around and take my blood pressure and pulse every 4 hours, of course, and I get my food brought to me. People coming up and clean around me. They're coming and I make my bed. Never had it so good. So yeah, I'm healing. I'm pretty good. Fingers crossed, all being well, I get to go home tomorrow. And then I go to the surgeon, Michael Donovan's clinic on a week on Tuesday, which I think is the 19th of December, where we'll find out the pathology results and where we go from here. But it's all looking pretty good, and I'm feeling positive, as I usually am anyway. But thank you for those of you that have been following along, and yeah, it's all good. See you soon. If you are watching, I hope this is inspiring you if you've been worrying about surgery, because yeah, it can be a bit scary, it can be a bit daunting. You can have your highs and your lows, but the sun comes out at the end. Sometimes it's like going through a storm, you know, and sometimes that storm can be really, really bad, you know, but the sun is at the end of that storm. It comes back. So keep hanging there and take care, everyone. Have a lovely day or evening.